The tips of hiking poles are wear items. They break. Some tips are easy to remove. You simply give them a whack and they fall off. You can then clean the pole ends, put on your new tip, and you're ready to roll. However, other tips like these Cascade Mountain Tech poles sold at Costco, often called Costco poles, cannot be removed in that manner. One strategy is to simply return the pole set with the broken tips to Costco and get your money back, as I've done in the past and as I suggest in my hiking pole video. But one thing I like about making these videos is they encourage me to think more deeply about my conduct. I'm not an environmentalist, but I am sympathetic to environmentalism. Having two poles end up in the dump because of a broken tip, as I've done in the past, seems wrong to me, and my conscience bugged me, so I decided to look into other strategies. A viewer very correctly pointed out that Cascade Mountain Tech sells replacement carbon fiber pole lower sections, like these. They sell for $11 each and can come with free shipping. To replace the broken tip, you simply pull the old section out, work in the new section, tighten it, and you are ready to go with a new tip. But I grew up poor and I'm a little bit cheap. So instead of paying the $11, I contacted the manufacturer and offered to allow them to replace the lower section of the poles instead of my returning the poles to Costco for a refund. And despite it being beyond the 1-year warranty, Cascade made a one-time only exception and sent me 2 lower pole sections free of charge. So my poles now will not end up in the dump and my environmental conscience is less guilty. Another viewer says he removes the tips from the Cascade Mountain Tech poles or Costco poles by putting them in boiling water and then twisting the tip off with a pair of pliers, which we're about to try. He then replaces them with Leki, L-E-K-I tips, which cost about $9 each at REI. The Cascade Mountain Tech pole ends are only about $2 more than that. Now, Amazon has tips available in 4 packs for about $10 or $2.50 each. I don't know if the brand name tips are any better, and if you have experience with that comparison, please let viewers know in the comments below. Let's give this a try. Okay, we're taking this seriously. That is more than a full boil. Let's give this a go. Ooh, that baby is hot. Getting some turning, but not much in the way of motion. This has been boiling for a full 10 minutes. Got motion, but no removal. Get something out of that. One more try before I declare this unsuccessful for me. I'll take these back to the garage, give them one more whack with a crescent wrench, and then I will declare that purchasing the lower sections is the solution offered by Cascade Mountain Tech and likely the best solution for replacing these tips. Okay, I hate to admit how truly stubborn I really am, or at least to commit that to video. But it's one day later, and I am curious about how this pole is put together. It's 100 degrees in this garage, pretty hot. Let's see what we got. Looks like that metal runs, whoa, quite a bit in there. Comparing the taper on these 2 poles, this one tapers more widely, more quickly, making a tight fit with the tip. This one doesn't. The metal portion of these tips ran back about 1 1/8 inches and very clearly seemed to have glue on them. Truly, the lower pole needs to be replaced when the tips break. All in, the time invested in discovering that these tips are non-removable was probably about 45 minutes. I've done this so that you don't have to. So now we've learned a couple of techniques for replacing pole tips, and also tried one that doesn't work, demonstrating you can't believe everything you hear on the internet. Thanks for watching and happy hiking.